We're gonna start up high, Flavia. Drop your left shoulder. There we go. We'll get C1 moving and then we'll get everything else.
That was a good one.
So that was just C1. I forget, do you have good shoulders? Just doesn't hurt you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's my favorite right now.
Haven't even started and he's already feeling better. Drop your shoulders.
Oh, good.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Let's go face down, brother.
Ooh.
Turn your head to the right. And relax your right shoulder. All the way. Did y'all get my message?
Yeah, we're working on it.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Here, left. Here. Drop that left. You're not gonna let me have that one, Flavio.